My topic name is Match Short. Match Short is a highly efficient shorting algorithms. The algorithms is the divide and conquer algorithm. Shorts an array. Uh, it is shorts an array uh, uh, by the first breaking down into the smaller arrays and then building the array back together the current way of the shorted. Uh, the algorithm starts with breaking up the array into the smaller and smaller piece until the one such array only consists of one element. The conquer algorithm merges the small pieces of an array back together by putting the lowest value of the first resulting in a shorted array. Uh, then the animation above each time the bar are pushed down represents the recursive call, splitting the array into the smaller piece. When the bar are shifted up to the means, two subarrays have been merged together. The upcoming slides will show. Divide the unsorted array into the two sub-arrays of the size of the original. Continue the divide the sub-arrays as long as the current piece of the array has more than one element. Merge two sub-arrays together by always putting the lowest values of first. Keep merging until there are no sub-arrays left. Take it to drawing into the sub arrays into the divided parts. The divided parts into the unsorted array into the two sub arrays. Continue to divide the sub arrays as long as the current pieces of the array has more than one element. Merge two sub arrays together by always putting the lowest value of first arrays. So, keeping merge until there are no sub-arrays are left. Uh, this is try to do sorting manually just to get an even better understanding how merge sort works before actually implementing into the programming language. First, we start an unsorted array, and we know when it is picked in a half until the subarray only consists of one element. The merge sort functions call itself two times. Once for each of the array, that means that the first subarray will split into the smallest pieces of first. The splitting of the subarrays is finished, and now it's time to merge the first elements to be merged and the lowest value. It comes from the first submerged subarrays. The next subarray to merge from the highest value and the lowest value. The values both arrays are compared from the starting to the ending point. The first and lowest value can be merged into the one-to-one each other. Now, the second big subarrays is picked recursively. And for example, 3 and 11 are merged back together into the same order as they shown in the 3 is the lowest array. The two subarrays on the right are merged. Comparisons are done to create elements in the new merged array. The formula is given into the mid value, left segments, and right segment of an array. The formula will be the mid to calculate the lowest value plus highest value divided by 2 in the given array. The left segment is lowest value, comma, mid value. This is the left segment. The right segment is the highest value and the lowest value. The divided spaces have to be in the smaller subparts of an array. We seen in the algorithm has two stages, first splitting and the merging. Although it is the possible to implement the merge sort algorithm without recursively. We use recursion because that is the most common approach. We cannot see into the step above, but to split on an array to the length of the array, it is divided by the two parts. And the rounded down, it get will the call mid, and the mid values is used to index for the where to split up in the array boxes. It is the conquer phase. After the array is split, the sorting functions call itself with the each of. Thank you.